Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say Schweiz is the German name for Switzerland, a Central European country known for its Alps, chocolate, watches, and multilingual culture. The federal capital is Bern, and official languages include German, French, Italian, and Romansh. Schweiz, 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 Schweiz. Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.